Layton is 12 weeks old tomorrow. He's playing in his bouncy. He loves it. He's lifting up his legs. Layton. Hey, big boy. Do you love it? Are you watching the froggy? You can sit up. Do you love it? Huh? Are you playing? Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Oh, there goes your feet again.
All right, guys.
Hi, big boy. Let's stick your tongue out. Huh? Hi, sweetheart. I can eat those cheeks right up. I love you. You getting them? We'll get the monkey. Wow. Look at the monkey. Look at him. Love you.